Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you how I prepare my sausages, and make sure that they are evenly cooked. So right here I have my sausages, I have my cooking oil, and a plate to put a plate with a serviette on it to put my sausages once they are done. And for the serviette is for sipping out the extra oil that may be in the cooked sausages. So guys, let's start cooking. So right here I have my pan. I'm just going ahead and turn on my gas. So what I do, I always put my sausages before putting my oil, like this. And then I will go ahead and put some oil like this. I put the oil generously. So then I'm going to leave them to cook slowly. I'm cooking them with medium heat to ensure that they don't burn. So I will have them cook slowly. So now I'll go ahead and turn my sausages. As you can see, they are doing well so far. So yes guys, so the trick here is to keep turning them to ensure that they don't burn, and also cooking them under low medium heat. So let's continue and turn them. As you can see, the brown color is coming out and they are doing pretty fine. So I still go ahead and turn them right once again. And as you can see guys, the sausages are coming along really well. They are not burning. So guys, as you can see, our sausages are ready. They have not burnt. They are really good. Yes guys, and that's how you prepare your sausages, and make sure that they they cook evenly without burning. Yeah. So I will go ahead and remove them from the cooking oil. And put them in my plate. Yeah. So guys, that's how you prepare sausages that are evenly cooked and they have not burnt. And as you can see, they have come out pretty well. Yeah, so you can use this recipe to make sausages for your family. Yeah. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new, kindly subscribe and join us. Yeah, and let's continue enjoying cooking together.